Hi guys. Wrike and ClickUp are two of the most popular project management solutions today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wrike and ClickUp, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it. You can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade, risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. And let's start with the pricing. ClickUp offers a range of plans to cater to different team sizes and requirements. First up, there's the Free Forever plan, which is perfect for personal use and it won't cost you a dime. With this plan, you get unlimited tasks, 100 megabytes of storage, 2-factor authentication, and more. It's a great option for those who are just getting started with project management. If you need more features and functionality, ClickUp's Unlimited plan is a great option for small teams. At $5 per member per month, you get unlimited storage, unlimited dashboards, and more. And if you have a mid-sized team, the Business plan offers advanced features such as advanced public sharing and granular time estimates for $12 per member per month. For larger teams with more complex needs, ClickUp's Business Plus for $19 per member per month and Enterprise plans offer even more customization options and features. The pricing for the Enterprise plan is available upon request. The prices mentioned are paid yearly. You can also go for per month payment, but the prices vary. So keep in mind that the platforms offer discounts for plans billed annually. Prices are higher if you pay monthly. Now let's talk about Wrike's pricing plans. Like ClickUp, Wrike also offers a free plan that is perfect for small teams with unlimited users. If you need more features, their Team plan costs $9.80 per user per month and is great for teams of up to 25 people. For larger teams, Wrike's Business plan offers additional customization options and detailed reporting for $24.80 per user per month. And if you need even more tailored functionality, they offer the Enterprise and Pinnacle plans where pricing is negotiated with a client. Overall, both ClickUp and Wrike offer pricing plans to suit different team sizes and needs, so depending on what you're looking for, you're sure to find a plan that works for you. And for the ease of use. First up, we have ClickUp, the intuitive and user-friendly project management software that is perfect for individuals, teams, and executives alike. With its drag and drop capabilities, it's super easy to use, and the Home feature makes it simple to keep track of all your tasks in one place. Plus, there are many custom views available so you can see your work from your own perspective. But that's not all. ClickUp offers a variety of unique features such as the screen recording clip feature. This means you can record your screen and attach it directly to ClickUp tasks, eliminating the need for other screen recording apps. And let's not forget about its versatile whiteboard tool, perfect for creative teams to visualize concepts and brainstorm ideas. However, with so many features, it can be overwhelming for beginners. But don't worry, you can easily turn on and off different Click apps, so you can choose the features that work best for your team. Next up, we have Wrike, a great tool for both small businesses and enterprises. It's easy to use and provides insights into ongoing projects in one simple dashboard. With Wrike, team leaders and managers can easily monitor task status, analytics, and get updates on changes in deadlines and tasks. This helps streamline the user experience and achieve a natural workflow, leading to a smooth project completion. And for the collaboration, ClickUp is the perfect solution for distributed teams who need to communicate quickly and effectively no matter where they're located. With its wide range of features, you can easily assign tasks to team members, comment on tasks and projects, @mention teammates, and create task lists that can be shared with contractors and clients outside your team. Plus, ClickUp's chat view feature allows for easy communication and brainstorming without having to switch between different applications. And let's not forget about the inbuilt calendar feature that syncs with Google and Outlook calendars to help team members decide on important dates and team meetings. With ClickUp's mobile app, staying on top of updates has never been easier. On the other hand, Wrike is another great collaborative management solution that helps keep projects organized. With its comprehensive database, team members can easily describe various roles and tasks for each member, improving overall communications through project management support. Wrike's customizable reports provide workflow summaries and other important information, while separate spaces for specific tasks and teams keep information secure. If you're looking for easy planning and task management, Wrike also offers ready-to-use templates. And for the customization and scalability, ClickUp is a powerful tool that provides incredible customization and scalability. Whether you're an individual or an organization, ClickUp offers a wide range of tools that can be tailored to meet your specific needs. For instance, users can customize their view with various filters and sorting options, such as due date, assignee, priority, and tags. This makes it easy to stay on top of your work and focus on what matters most. Moreover, ClickUp Scalability is enabled by its multidimensional structure, which allows users to structure their workspace in whatever way works best for them. Its extensive reporting capabilities can also be adjusted to track specific metrics such as project progress, total time tracked, or employee workload. This makes ClickUp a great solution for organizations of all sizes and types, whether you're looking to save time, improve productivity, or complete project goals. Moving on, let's talk about Wrike, a flexible tool that can easily adapt to your team and project's needs and requirements. With Wrike, you can organize your work and access resources from one clean and simple interface. Setting up a new project is quick and easy, with little to no learning curve at all. Plus, Wrike can be customized according to each user's preference. Dashboards can be customized with widgets and other items according to personal or team use. While Wrike's adaptability and customization can be overwhelming, it's a great feature for teams with specific needs to take advantage of. So choosing between Wrike and ClickUp depends on your business and your needs. Both project management tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free. If you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description and that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, leave a comment please and click the like button, that helps too. And goodbye for now.